As the world is grappling with a myriad of violent conflicts from Sudan, Eastern DRC, Ukraine and Gaza, women, children and people living with disabilities are often bearing the brunt of ferocious conflicts. International Committee of the Red Cross, South Africa, Malawi and their partners in the SADC region are hosting the International Humanitarian Law Seminar.
It's also about preventing suffering. It's also about making sure there is a path to peace, and there is always a way to preserve the dignity of a human being, even in very difficult, challenging moments, as, for example, a war is one of those moments. So IHL, celebrating now the 75th anniversary of the Geneva Convention, means a lot for the states.
The law is a set of rules which seek for humanitarian reasons to limit the effects of armed conflict, but there is a great deal of concern that warring parties often violate these sacrosanct rights.
IHL faces the challenge of the need of being respected and having ensured its respect, but it happens with all the branches of law. But we have also very good signals. The fact that, for example, those are the conventions that were signed by all the states. It's a great signal that there is a need, there is an interest, there is a commitment from states to respect IHL. But obviously there is a lot more that needs to be done.
Member states from the SADC region are also sharing experiences.
The Malawi Defense Forces, that has a National Defense College, has also integrated the International Humanitarian Law and the Geneva Conventions training in its training of recruits and training and continuous training of armed forces. But not only that, you know that the International Humanitarian Law is not only important in armed conflict, but even in peaceful situations. So Malawi has always been at peace, but it's important to disseminate the conventions so that the civilians are aware.
The seminar is being held at the head office of the International Relations and Cooperation Department. South Africa's foreign policy is patently clear about peaceful resolution of conflicts. Delegates are hoping to sharpen up the use of international law to make a difference in armed conflicts. Khumalo, SABC News, Pretoria.